Hello, 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 hello. Hi ladies, welcome to another video. This video is going to be about my favorite of 2017. So before I begin, I want to wish all of you a happy blessed 2018. Yes, I know, like January is almost over, but I still want to wish y'all all the best of happiness, joy, peace, like everything, all the above. So yeah, like I said, this is going to be a video about my favorites of 2017, the products that I really love for my hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, well, here are some of my products that I use throughout the year of 2017. Some products I really fell in love with, and some was like, where were you? Like, where have you been all of my life? So let me see. I'm going to start off with organic, the organic root stimulator, but I changed the name to ORS, and I'm talking about the new line Monoi oil. Like these two products, yeah, I really fell in love with this too. This is shampoo and this is the conditioner, and it's really for anti-breakage, and it has omega-3 and 6 in it, and well, it says it strengthens and protects your hair. It moisturizes, replenishes, and like I have a review, I have a review about a shampoo, so go to my blog and read all about it. But these two products, I'm definitely going to use them in the year of 2018. RS, and it's the sulfate-free hydration shampoo. Like this shampoo, like, you know, some shampoos, if you wash your hair, like it dries, like it make your hair stiff, and it's not able that you can put your fingers into it. But this shampoo, while I'm washing my hair, I still can detangle with my fingers, and it's really it really hydrates it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the same for this one. This one, if you use it and wash your hair with it, it's like but I really like this shampoo. Like, it's almost empty. I need to buy a new bottle, but it really is a new staple of mine, so I will be using this product in 2018. So before I forget, so if you're looking for a moisturizing shampoo or a shampoo that really hydrates your hair, pick up this shampoo, like really. So moving on, I was looking for a leave-in spray, and a spray that really will hydrate my hair, because I have other leave-in spray, but they were really they were protein based, and I was looking for a moisture base. So when I was in the store, in my local beauty supply store, I came across Aunt Jackie's hydration silkening hair milk. Like, the name was like everything for me, hydrating. I was like, okay, I need to try this out. And what really drew me to this product is because of it has flaxseed, coconut milk, avocado, and marshmallow root. I've never had a product that had marshmallow root. I'm not really familiar with it, but flaxseed, check. Coconut, check. And avocado, check. So I tried this product out, and I really like it. Like, it is a good leave-in that you can use daily. I mainly use it after washing my hair, but sometimes for example, if I braid my hair, I will use this to moisturize my hair during the week. So it really is a good product, and it has a nice smell to it. Like, it has a nice smell to it. So this one is a keeper for 2018. Then also another goodie of mine is the Jackie's In Control conditioner, and this conditioner is bae. Like, again, if you're looking for a product that really will moisturize your hair, again, this is also a very good product to use. Is the Jackie's In Control moisturizing and softening conditioner. Plus, you can also use this as a co-wash, so you can use it for deep conditioning, but you can also use it for co-washing your hair. And what I really like about this product is it has shea butter and olive oil. Like, bomb, moisturized. Like, deep conditioning hair is a major key for a healthy hair. This conditioner is for natural ladies, but as y'all know, I'm relaxed and I still use this conditioner and I love it. And I'm going to use it in 2018. So yeah, let's see what we have here. This is also a favorite, Garnier Loving Blends. This product, I use it to co-wash my hair, and yeah, what can I say about this product? To begin with, some people will say, like, how can you use product that's not meant for your hair type, da 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 da. Cool, but it works, man, it works. I really want to come up with a like a great reason for using this product, but if y'all remember, like back in the days when Herbal Essence Hydration, Hello Hydration was the plug, well, this is my new plug, Garnier Loving Blends for co-washing my hair. So I will not use this for deep conditioning, but only to co-wash my hair with it, or to pre-poo. That one I also use it for pre-pooing. It has a nice smell to it. The consistency is not too thick, it's not too light, and to be really honest, when I use this to co-wash my hair or use it to pre-poo my hair, it really softens my hair. So that's why I will be using this product in 2018. So yeah, like, it really is a keeper. And let's see, yeah, another keeper is the African Pride Shea Miracle Moisture Intense. So there was a period of time that my hair was really breaking, and although I love my ORS hair lotion, I will be using that product in 2018, but my hair was missing something. Like, it was really missing that oomph, that extra moisture that it needed. And I came across this product, and the first time that I used it, I was like, bruh, it moisturized my hair so perfectly. I was like, yes, it's the extra oomph that my hair needs. This is also a product for natural hair, but hey, I still use it. For me, the best way to use this is in the morning. Like, normally I would try to moisturize my hair before I go to bed, but if I use this before going to work or whatever, the shine that it gives my hair, the softness that it gives my hair, and the smell is everything. So this product, yes, I will be using in 2018. I really love it. I really like this product. So, and then the last product that I will be using in 2018 is the Balm Jamaican Castor Oil Edge Control. This product, yeah, I really like it, and the reason that I like it is because of the consistency. Like, most edge control, like, they turn hard. Like, for example, you will use it for a few days, and after a couple of days, like, it gets stiff. I can't explain it, but with this, the consistency is really soft, and when I apply it, okay, what I'm doing is not really smart, but when I apply it to my edges, I just brush it through. It doesn't flake. I can use it throughout the week. It doesn't have that crazy buildup. That I use it on the daily, especially to tame my edges when I really have new growth. So yeah. So if you're curious about how I use this product and when I use this product, go to my blog, Eemsdiary.com. Yeah, these are my products that I love, like I really love, and I will be using them in 2018. I also have other products, but these were like my top my top 8. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like I said, if you want more information about the products, go to my blog, Eemsdiary.com. Like and subscribe, thumbs up this video, and let me know like what were your products for 2017, because like I said, I'm a product junkie, so I'm always on the search for new products. So let me know like what were your top 3, like what were your products that gave you that extra oomph, like talk to your girl. So yeah, this was my video. Thumbs up this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.